That's the FL Studio sound you hear every time you open it, heard by millions of people every day. But it wasn't always like that. When FL Studio started out and looked like this, with a logo like this, and anime girls in the plugins, they had a totally different sound. This. People were complaining that this sound was scaring the neighbors, so back in 2007 they held a contest, inviting all users of FL Studio to make their own version of the startup sound. They had two criteria. It shouldn't scare people like the old one, and it shouldn't become annoying even after hearing it over and over. Now, devastatingly enough, this contest took place on the old FL Studio forums, and it was 18 years ago. It has not been archived. However, they've had similar contests for other sounds. Let's take a look at how another contest went down. Do you recognize this? That's the render sound. It plays whenever you export something from the program. The old one was basically a slow version of the startup sound. So in 2017 there was a contest to create a new one, with 300 people joining. Here's the top 5. The winning one was by a user called Danson, who is a bit mysterious and has only done 2 forum posts ever, both being submissions in the contest. The winning one and this. That finished in 236th. But who made a startup sound? I've asked the FL Studio developers and browsed every corner of the internet, and I found nothing. Even they don't know. So who made it is a mystery. All we got is this thread by FL Studio guru Scott, where it says why the sound was chosen. It was selected by developer Gal because it was better than the old one and not annoying. But if you don't like it, you can actually replace it with your own sound. Go into the files of FL Studio and locate this. Start Synthet. Take your own file and rename it the same way and replace it. Now every time you open FL Studio, you'll hear it.